Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, go and look at my other videos. I'm pretty sure there's something you would enjoy and like. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I really appreciate it. So let's get into this video. Today's video is quite interesting because it's a conversation that I honestly cannot relate with because hello, I'm a Nigerian and I'm African. Like, I cannot relate with not using a washcloth or a sponge to take a bath, not to then even go further into the whole conversation of occasionally taking my bath or just taking a bath once a week. I mean, I usually take a bath twice a day. So yeah, I can relate with that, but no judgment here, okay? Now, I saw a video of Lovey, and I mean, I love Lovey Ajayi, and basically she said, and I'm quoting, and you know, our good sister, the gospel, she said that black don't crack because black is exfoliated, and that's on that, okay? So true, no truer words have ever been spoken. And of course, she did suggest the Sapo sponge and washcloth, you know, shea butter, as much, and other things that, you know, you can use when you take your bath. The Sapo sponge, especially in the US or Canada, is really, well, it's not really expensive. I mean, it's expensive when you compare it to how much it's cost in Africa or Nigeria. So I think it's about $20 or $15. I mean, I don't know. And I've seen a couple of people complain about that. And so that is why I'm here, because as you guys know, I always look for the best deals. Like, I look for the best products at, you know, at a really good price or a minimal price. So today I will be showing you sponges and washcloths that you can get for under $1. Well, $1, not under $1, but all of these items, most of these items actually you can get them in the Dollar Tree or your dollar store, you know, wherever it is you go. And so let's get into the video. So the very first one I will be talking about is this lovely sponge right here. It's similar to the Sapo actually, but I really like this one because it's like double braided and weft. Like there's a, it's because it's double wefted or braided. I don't know how to describe it to you, but it takes soap really well, and you can actually pull it this way and scrub your back, right, when you take a bath. Like, it goes a long way, and this is only for $1. So no excuse really, guys. There's no excuse not to use a sponge to take your bath. Scrub your body. I mean, you need to exfoliate. Like, we need to care for our skin. So this is the very first one I will be showing, you know, I'm showing you guys today. It's even kind of wet because I used it today. And the second one I really like, I use both, is this one. This is a sponge as well, and it's only for $1. You can also see it in other stores, like if you go to Target or some other stores, it's for maybe $3, but I mean, you can go to the Dollar Tree and get it for $1, for $1 only. Like, can you see? I mean, I know you know what I'm talking about, so there's no reason for us to waste so much time on that one. Another sponge from Dollar Tree that you want to definitely go out and buy is this one for only $1, you guys. And this is maybe my best one because the holes in them makes it really easy to exfoliate your skin, and it takes soap really well. If you look at the black soap recipe I have on my channel, you would see that this was the sponge I used, and this is what I use for my black soap body wash. I use this because it takes the soap so well. The little tiny holes in them makes it so easy to exfoliate your skin while being gentle as well. And as you can see, all of these are really lightweight, you guys, and you can get it for just $1. So there's really no reason, well, there is a reason, except you don't want to, but that's fine. No judgment here, like go out and do you. However, we need to take care of our skin, and here are like really affordable ways to do that. And so for $1, you really don't have an excuse if you want to care for your skin, you know, while you're not doing that. And bear in mind that you can actually go out and get other options, right? But these are just affordable options I'm showing to you guys. This is another sponge from the Dollar Tree, similar to the one I just showed you. It is gentle and is an exfoliating sponge actually, and it's really good for your skin. Okay, now if you can't afford, if by some reason you cannot afford any of these that I've shown you, definitely you can afford this one. I mean, come on guys, this is a washcloth, and you can get 6 of this in Target for only what, $3 or $4, under $5 basically. So there's really no reason for you not to use that. I use the washcloth for my face actually, and also I use it to wipe my face like when I come out of the shower. But you can also use it for your body, to clean your body. Also, I have some bonus items I'll show you as well that you can get from the Dollar Tree that can help your skin. And that's this plant-based bar soap. No, I don't know if you can see what's on it, but basically it's a jasmine and orange blossom bath soap for all skin types, and it's plant-based, you guys, for only $1. You can always buy this and pair it with the sponges. It would definitely help your skin, okay? Keep it clean. And then if you want to do some deep cleansing and deep, you know, you want to purify your skin, there's this one, okay? The Yardley London activated charcoal with bentonite clay. This is what it looks like, guys. There's this soap that you can try, okay? It has it's activated charcoal with bentonite clay. You can use this to actually cleanse your skin with the sponges as well. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and sticking with me. As you know, my videos are really quick because I really don't have time to waste time, okay? Let me know your thoughts, okay, in the comment section. Let me know, like, what do you do? What do you use when you take your bath? Are you team sponge or team washcloth or team none at all? I'd like to know. Let me know, okay? Until next time, have a good one, guys. Bye.